stuck at this hospital, mental hospital, and I found out this. Guys, yesterday I watched a film named Grave Encounters, and this movie was directed by Colin Minhan and Stuart Otis, and it is released in 2011. This movie got an IMDb rating of 6.1 stars out of 10, which is really good. And many of us know about this film. This is a Canadian supernatural horror film. This full film is shot in found footage style. So in today's video I'm going to explain the movie called Grave Encounters. Before I begin, this movie has two parts. Part 1 will be explained in this video, and part 2 will be explained in maybe next month or next month. So let's begin this video. Why is my dog barking?
Lord Jesus, through the Immaculate Heart of Mary, I offer you my prayers, works, joys, sufferings of the day, in union with the Holy Sacrament.
Grave Encounters. So many people know that this movie name is Grave Encounters, and the show which is broadcasted in this movie's name is also the Grave Encounters. This ghost investigation TV series, which is the Grave Encounters, was produced by Jerry Hartfield, and he even says that this TV series was cancelled after 5 episodes in 2003. Actually, what happened was, for shooting the 6th episode, the crew and the cast were somehow mysteriously disappeared, and the footage of 6th episode was somehow recovered in 2010, and Hartfield presents this footage to the fans. Grave Encounters show's host was Lance Preston, and in his team there were 5 more members in it. One was Sasha Parker. She was an occult specialist, and another member was Matt, who was the surveillance operator of this group. Other 2 members, TC and Gibson, operate the camera, and host and Grave would connect with spirits around that place. The special thing about this show was everything would be shown as fake, and no one in the group is an occult specialist. They made 5 fake episodes, and for the 6th episode they all went to an abandoned frictional mental asylum, which was called the Collingwood Psychiatric Mental Hospital. In this hospital, many paranormal activities were reported, and this hospital was built in 1939. At that time, this hospital was built for mentally disabled persons, and the condition of the hospital was really bad, and the mentally disabled persons didn't have a proper place to live, didn't get a proper dress to wear, and proper food. The person who was running this hospital was a doctor named Arthur Fredkin, who would do inhuman experiments on these patients, and in 1942 their patient had killed them with a knife, and from that time this hospital was closed till now. The Grave Encounters group came for an investigation to this hospital. During the investigation, they place cameras inside the hospital, and they make fun of many things because they think that this hospital is not haunted, and the people is just telling fake stories about this hospital. For the overnight surveillance of this hospital, they locked themselves up inside the hospital, and the deal was that the caretaker of this hospital would free them at morning 6 a.m. At the starting, everything was okay, but after some time, some mysterious sounds were coming from this hospital. Besides these sounds, the doors and windows of the hospital opened automatically, and this crew notices a wheelchair automatically started moving. Throughout the investigation, they all captured it in the camera, and their plan was to pack up. But some mysterious power touches Shasha's hair. After watching this, Lance gets more excited and starts taking pictures of the corridors.
After developing a wait, someone is there. Oh no, door is opening. Okay, let me continue it better.
After developing one image, we can see a circular formed bubbles. From this, we can understand that the bubbles are representing the spirits. After watching all this, TC begins to get scared and gives advice that they should go back. Lance finally agrees to go back. Now, these crew members went to the base camp and finds out that Matt was missing, and even they also realize that the time has been 6:15, but the caretaker didn't come to open the doors. Lance and TC tries to open a door to get out, but there were already many rooms like this. This hospital is a never-ending maze, and it has walls which are moving. Besides that, inside the hospital it was night, but according to their cell phone time, the daylight should have come.
They all are trying to get out, but every door would take them to a roof, but instead of the door, the concrete wall would be there. Slowly, dangerous things starts to occur more and more inside this hospital. Because of this, the crew starts getting mentally disturbed.
Now, it has been 14 hours since the crew came inside the hospital. Then some mysterious power scratches and write hello word in Shasha's back. After that, this crew sees a woman who was facing towards the wall. When the woman sees the crew, her face demolished and gets distorted. And after watching this, everyone starts running here and there. In this situation, Austin Gray gets lost from his group, and this evil power kills him. Other crew members got tired, so they slept off. When they were awake, they saw a patient label in their hands, like they were the mental patients of this hospital. Now, this crew again tries to escape, but during this escape, evil powers attack Shasha. Lance, Shasha and TC found Matt, but he was dressed up like a patient and he was looking mentally unstable. When this group were trying to leave, they saw Matt looking at the bathtub which was filled with blood. TC tries to get out Matt from the place, but demolished patient from the tub pulls TC into the bathtub. Lance and Shasha runs towards an elevator, but the elevator door was closed. For opening the door, Lance was finding a witch, but then he finds a demonic patient. Lance somehow finds a pipe and opens the elevator door. The demonic patient follows Lance and attacks on him, but Shasha Parker rescues her. In this situation, we can see Matt is back and he's recording his own video of jumping into the elevator shaft and giving his life. Lance, Shasha finds a ladder and reaches to a underground tunnel, where Shasha gets a very bad fever and in her cuffs, blood would come out. Lance and Shasha thought to rest. But suddenly, a smoke comes towards Lance and Shasha, and when the smoke was gone, Shasha also disappeared. After this event, Lance became very sad, and in this endless tunnel, he just keeps walking. He starts laughing like a mad, and for being alive, he starts to kill rats and for food. And slowly, his mind is becoming unstable. After walking far, Lance suddenly sees a door, and after entering, he sees Dr. Fredkin's secret operating room. In this room, only Dr. Fredkin does inhuman experiment to his patients, and that patients' spirits were roaming around in this hospital. Lance found a black magic and satanic rituals book. From this book, we viewers can understand that besides experiments, Dr. Fredkin will also use satanic rituals on his patients. Lance was looking into the place, then suddenly he sees Dr. Fredkin's spirit and he kills Lance and pulls him to the operating table and the camera cuts off.
And the movie ends over here. Only that's it for today's video, guys. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you liked my explanation video, please press the like button. I will see you guys in the next video. For that, bye guys. How did I turn?
I think there's a way to escape from this city. I really do, guys. Oh yes, there's a way. There's a way, guys. Oh, there's. Oh no! I fell, guys. Oh no! Need to get up, guys. Yes. I can see some buildings around me, guys. Yes, there's a building. I think we can escape. Someone is coming. Someone is really coming.